If your Yahoo Mail inbox is packed with unread messages and you want to clear that read-unread count fast, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to mark all as read in Yahoo Mail in just a few clicks. This is a super simple method that can save you a lot of time, especially if you've got a busy inbox and you just want everything organized quickly. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and go straight to your inbox. This is where all of your incoming emails are displayed, including both read and unread messages. Once you're in the inbox, look at the top of the message list and click the Select All checkbox. This checkbox is usually located at the top of your inbox list and it lets you choose every visible email at once. After selecting all the messages, look for the Mark as Read option. When you click that, Yahoo Mail will change all selected unread emails to read instantly. If your inbox has a lot of messages, this is the fastest way to clear the unread status without opening each email one by one. In just a moment, your inbox should look much cleaner and the unread count should drop significantly or disappear completely. If you still have more messages on additional pages, you may need to repeat the same process for those sections as well, depending on how Yahoo Mail is displaying your inbox. The key steps are simple. Open your inbox, select all, and mark as read. That's really all there is to it. It's a quick fix, but it makes a big difference if you want to stay organized and keep your inbox under control. Now you can use this anytime your unread mail starts piling up and you want to reset things fast. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.